Morning, children. I hope you all are doing good. Now, today we are going to start our chapter number 1 of EVS, that is body and health. In this particular chapter, we are going to talk about some of the body parts of our body and what functions do they perform in detail. And not only that, we are also going to discuss some healthy habits which we should follow in our daily life. So, to begin with, we have a picture on our screen which talks about the different body parts which we have, and on the right hand side we have been given a help box, and in this help box they have given us all the body parts name. Now you all know what you have to do. You have to fill in these body parts names into the correct box. Okay, we have already covered this particular diagram in class 1, so I would request you all to first try filling in these boxes on your own, and then I will share the answer with you. Okay, to give you one sample about how we are going to do this one, for example, these are hands. Okay, these are hands. Then we have shoulder. Then we have neck. Okay, then we have fingers. So just like this, you're going to take up the words, the parts, body parts from the right hand side help box, and you're going to fill in those body parts in the correct box. Now next we are going to talk about some of the body parts in detail and what function do they perform for us. First we are going to talk about our hands. So our hands help us to write, count, eat, hold, catch and throw. So these are some of the most common functions of our hands. If you can think of another function, then you can share it with me. Next we have our feet. Now, what is the difference between feet and legs? This whole part is called our legs, and only this bottom part, okay, which help us to stand, to walk, to kick, okay, this part is called feet. Mouth. Now we have to discuss our body part mouth, and with the help of our mouth, what do? We eat, we speak, we smile. Now all of these functions are performed by mouth. Now we have talked about some of the body parts. We are going to talk about now some special body organs. Okay, some special body parts. Now what makes them special? What is special about them? So the special thing about them is their function. Okay, because these special organs, which are called sense organs, they help us to feel things around us, they help us to sense things around us. Okay, how? We have 5 sense organs in total, which you are going to memorize by heart. These are very, very important. This is the most important part of your chapter. So the 5 sense organs are ears, nose, tongue, skin, eyes. Now we are going to understand these 5 sense organs with the help of this picture and some of the questions given to us. We are going to answer these questions and we are going to understand what are sense organs. Now observe this picture carefully, and then we'll discuss the questions given to us on the left hand side. Which sense organ helps you to see the world? With which organ you see around yourself? Yes, these are eyes. So we will write eyes. With which sense organ do you hear sound? Yes, that is our ears. With which organ do you taste? Yes, that is our tongue. With which organ do you smell? Yes, that is our nose. With which sense organ do you feel touch? Whether someone is touching you, whether someone is pinching you, then that is our skin. Now these were the five sense organs which we discussed along with their functions. In a nutshell, eyes help us to see, ears help us to hear, tongue help us to taste, nose help us to smell, skin help us to feel. So these were our five sense organs and their functions. Now I told you that we'll discuss some healthy habits which we should follow in our daily life. Some of them are that we should keep our body parts clean. We should wash our hands, wash our legs after playing or after doing something, whenever our body is covered in dirt. We should always keep ourselves clean by washing our body parts. We should take bath every day. Yes, some of us become quite lazy and we skip taking bath. So we should not do that. We should always take bath every day so that we can keep our body clean. We should always eat healthy food. We should totally avoid eating junk food. They might be tasty, but they have lots of bad things. Okay, they have lots of bad things and they do bad things to our body. So we should always keep our body healthy and fit, and to do that we should always eat healthy food. Next is we should exercise every day so that we can keep our body strong, healthy and fit. Okay, and last one is rise early in the morning and sleep early at night. So we should always go early to bed at night and we should always wake up early in the morning. Okay, so if you follow all of these healthy habits, then not only your body will be healthy and fit, but it would also help you to stay away from all the diseases. Okay, so that your body doesn't become weak, your immune system does not become weak. So these were some of the healthy habits and some of the body parts along with their functions which we discussed in this chapter. Thank you so much. Take care.